Hello, welcome to our channel and new video friends. Today, this 62 you see behind me, I will be reviewing our 1+1 prefabricated house of 62 square meters for you. We will tour inside and outside together. I will try to tell you about the materials used and the processes done, friends, in a shape. Friends, this house has been in active use for about 1 year, friends. What is the current condition? Is there any wear and tear, etc.? We will look at these together, friends. For price information and detailed information, our website address, social media accounts, and contact addresses are available in the description section below. Friends, you can reach us from there. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. To not miss our upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. So, let's start our video. Yes, friends, this is the exterior appearance of our 62 square meter prefabricated house. Metal tiles were used for the roof. The shape of the roof is designed with dormers, with an under-dormer sextuple coupling, resulting in a very aesthetic roof design. Friends, this house is a project built on a platform, meaning on iron legs. There is no ground concrete or base concrete, friends. Our house's exterior has a yellow pan cladding process. It is a layered patterned cladding. Again, it's a product of betopan. A wooden patterned, layered patterned cladding has been applied, friends. The floor-to-ceiling height of our house, it was done at 280. Of course, this is optional, as our standard is 250. It's 2.5 meters, 2 meters 80, and 3 meters. You can completely choose, friends. At the entrance of our house, there is a 10 square meter veranda area. We can immediately enter inside through the steel door from the veranda. This is the view of our house from the other side. In this way. On this facade and the rear facade, we do not have any cladding on the exterior. You can see our connection elements, the edge profiles, every 125 centimeters. As I mentioned, this project of ours is platform. This is a project set up on iron legs without concrete on the ground. This is the mandarin garden. Let me show you the mandarins and oranges. This is a project of ours located entirely within a beautiful tangerine orchard, friends. We have access to the inside of our house from the veranda section. Right at the entrance section, there is the kitchen area. From the kitchen area, with a large window, our customer can easily perform their services outside and so on. Let's gradually move inside our house now. On the exterior of our house, cladding called Yalipan, a product of Mbitopan with a wood pattern, was applied, friends. This adds elegance and aesthetics to our building from the outside. The entrance of our house has a steel door. Right across the entrance, there's a kitchen area, friends. This is a project designed in an open kitchen living room style.
The owner of our house, Mrs. Hava, is also here.
He has been living here comfortably for 1 year. This is a project with an open kitchen and living room, friends. On the interior of our house, there are drywall coatings and plastering. You cannot see any of our joining elements. A completely smooth appearance was achieved. Let me also show you the depth of our kitchen section from the other side. Directly in front of us is the bathroom section, and to our right is our bedroom, friends. The kitchen section is directly across from the entrance area. This is a very comfortable project with an open kitchen and living room. Here are Mr. Rashkin's decorative items, who is Mrs. Hava's son. Friends, right in front of us is our toilet and bathroom section. Friends, this toilet and bathroom section comfortably fits a 5 square meter toilet area, shower area, sink, and washing machine. Friends, after the toilet and bathroom section, finally, here we have a huge bedroom. 18 square meters, a very spacious and large bedroom is available, friends. Yes, friends, our 62 square meter 1+1 prefabricated house was like this. I tried to explain it to you as best as I could. We toured the inside and outside together. As I said, the materials used and the current state after 1 year of being lived in, I tried to share with you. For price information and more details, our website address, social media accounts, and other contact details are available in the description section below. You can reach us through those. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button. To not miss our upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Goodbye, enjoy watching.